All right, so before I drain the pasta, I saved 1 cup of that pasta cooking water. As you can see, the color has definitely changed. It's really nice and starchy. The pasta now is waiting for that butter. I've got 5 tablespoons, that full cup pasta cooking water, Parmesan, and finally 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna put the heat on, just on low, and it's time to toss the pasta really vigorously. And that cheese, you can see, is already melted. So I'm gonna stir this pretty vigorously for 1 minute, again, over low heat. I'm gonna put the lid on and let that sit undisturbed for 1 more minute. This step is important because it's gonna allow for any extra water in there to be absorbed by the pasta. All right, looking good, it's on its way. Now this is the last step, and for 30 seconds you want to toss the pasta again pretty vigorously, and it might look a little wet at this point, but no fear. It will definitely thicken in the next 30 seconds. Sort of like magic.